What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grady Boy YouTube channel. So we're gonna be doing an installation on the Mustang today, you know, a little mod. So right now I currently have the GT350 wing on the car. Extreme Online Store ended up sending me out the GT500 wing with the gurney flap. So I think it's gonna end up looking real good on the car. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see how the package comes in. Let y'all also see the old wing that's coming off and the reason why it's coming off. Okay, it's gonna come in out on a box like this from Extreme Online Store. So when you go and get it out, it was packaged pretty good. I kind of got antsy and opened it because I got confused for a second. But get it unraveled for y'all guys and let y'all see how it looks. This is what the current wing is. It's a GT350 wing. I had a wicker bill on it, but sadly when I went to a car wash, I went through a car wash, pretty much the wicker bill got ripped off the back of it. That's why you see the rivets in the back of it. Could I just order another GT350 wing? Yes, but you know, I always want to try new stuff on the bill, see if we like it or not. And yeah, guys, let me go ahead and get this GT500 wing out and see how it is, and I'll tell you about the quality of it, and we'll go ahead and start the process of installing it. Again, this is the package. It will come in. It's gonna come in a package just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut open, let y'all see the quality of it, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I end up getting it unpackaged out, looking at it. The quality looks really good. I end up going with like a stealth hardware, which is black hardware all around. Like, it's actually really good. Like, this is the wing, this is the gurney flap, see the little spots. Which something I think is really neat, and how you know they're good, they have great craftsmanship. They actually have their own name stamped into the plastic, so it ain't no bull crap you're gonna get off somewhere that there's, you know, what you call reselling. This is made by them, good quality stuff. So yeah, guys, let's get it. I'm gonna probably get y'all on a time lapse while I take this off. I know y'all probably, I'll just go ahead and show y'all how what you'll be doing back here. So you're gonna take off these tabs. These just spin out, take this one off, spin out, take that off. This pulls off. Then you're gonna have little tabs all the way around that you can just pull off with a little tab pulling nut. And then I'll show y'all what you're gonna be doing. Let's get this one taken off so we can install this badass EOS GT500 bumper. I mean, not bumper, spoiler. All right, so I forgot to pull these off, but there's gonna be that screw right there. That's, get out the way, buddy. That screw right there. Then there's gonna be a screw behind this black clip, and then another screw behind that black clip. All right, so make sure the bolts in here. If you have a factory wing, it's actually bolts, but when you get an aftermarket like I already had on here, it's screws. So when you're doing it, just pull the bumper, not bumper, my bad. Pull the trunk down, so if it do fall, let gravity, let it fall out your trunk, because I do have a buddy that didn't do this, and he has a bolt right now inside his trunk that he'll never get out. So yeah, just let gravity do the work. You can turn it Guys, so we got all the screws out. So the next thing you want to do is be careful to not scratch your paint. It is off, but it is double-sided tape. So that being said, I'm gonna use this shirt and a little pry bar, go up on there, and we're gonna slowly start breaking that double-sided tape line. I could use fishing line, but I cut my hands the last time I used fishing line to cut it, so we're just gonna do it exactly what I did with the stock wing when I got it off. So yeah, let's go and get this wing off, guys. All right, guys, so luckily I was gonna use the metal one, but he has some plastic ones. It's always better to use plastic on your paint because it won't scratch your paint. So got a plastic one, we're gonna slowly start pulling this up under. I may try with the shirt, we'll see. And now we just gotta get it off. So again, just be very careful with it. There we go. Got it off. Now it's time for the cleaning part. All right. Oh no, you good. Go ahead and talk, brother. Nah, this is just YouTube. So yeah, like I said again, it's just dirty as hell. Gotta get all this double-sided plastic off and clean up under here because you know you want to have a clean surface. But yeah, so I don't want to bore y'all with that. So probably gonna cut the video there. I'm gonna get this off and I'll come back at it when we're finna get ready to install the new one. Yep. Got this cleaned up, so now we're just gonna be assembling the wing and we'll get it on. Like I said again, to show y'all, it'll be the hole there, holes there, and hole there. To be safe, we're putting a couple pieces of double-sided tape, just for, even though we know it's getting bolted up, just for reassurance. Make sure it don't go anywhere. You know, get a piece over there, run those, get a piece over here, and should be good to go. All right, we end up getting all the bolts put in for the Gt500 wing. Like I said again, it's gonna be another, it's gonna be one there, one there, one there, one there. That's for the gurney flap there. Got it all put on. I'm gonna go clean up the car. And I'm gonna get some pictures for y'all. Let me get this inner panel put back together. So yeah, I don't think y'all want to see me just put back the same stuff I already showed y'all how to take off. So go and get that back together, and yeah, I'm gonna get some beauty shots of it for y'all later. All right, guys. So this is gonna be the finished product from Extreme Online Store. The Gt500 wing with gurney flap. I'm really digging the way it accentuates the car. So that's gonna be a big thank you to Extreme Online Store for sending out the Gt500 wing with gurney flap and gloss black. I think it really accentuates on the car. So like, cause I don't know, I always kind of wanted the premium wing. So we're gonna try this one out for a little while and see how we like it. So far I'm loving it. I like the way it like accentuates on the car. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about it. I kind of really love it. I really like this angle. So yeah, just let me know how y'all feel about it. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go check out Extreme Online Store. Let them know your boy sent you. And thanks for watching the Grady Boy YouTube channel. We out.